Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be styling my hair and at the same time showing you guys or doing a tutorial for you guys. Can you believe I've not moisturized my hair for a while? Because usually when I do a blowout, I am so stingy with putting water on my hair because I don't want all that shrinkage to start happening. With the amount of effort that I put into blowing my hair, I guess you cannot blame me for deciding to enjoy my hair for a little while before it bounces back to its natural state. The first thing I'm going to do before styling is to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to first hydrate with water and then going with my leave-in conditioner to moisturize, and lastly oil to seal in the moisture. Oh, trigger warning, I did not part my hair properly, so please be kind and do not come for me in the comment section. Okay, now that I've said everything, you guys should just sit back, relax and enjoy yourself.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me, if we leave right now we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 but without you there's no escape. Yeah, without you. gazing up at the sky. When the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason, just let the world embrace us. In the silence we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of our...
Thank you all for staying to the end of my video. Remember that you can even style yours to look better than me. And I also use some hair accessories because it just makes the hairstyle to look way more beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.